Alright, I've got a really nice eXmark Lazer Z 48-inch. This is a Lazer Z HP. It's got the Kawasaki professional grade top of the line motor, 48-inch extra heavy duty fabricated deck. I think they call it what do they call this deck? The Tri-Vantage. Super clean. Of course, it's got a few little scrapes and bruises here and there, but this is a single owner homeowner unit. It's only got 470 hours on it. Very well taken care of, well maintained. New spindles, new blades at the end of last season, and seat extra comfortable, extra cushiony seat, great condition. Tires are in great condition. It's got a 19 horsepower Kawasaki professional grade motor, and the big heavy duty drives with big tires. This thing is quick. It's got a really high blade tip speed and mows great. Track straight. Let's get it started and show you. Let's see, yeah, 470 hours. Runs real smooth. Idle it down for you. Runs great. No problems at all. Rev it back up. Really comfortable seat. Good leg room in this thing. E-brake. Forwards, backwards, left, right. Blades. Blade tip speed. This thing cuts really well. Let's see if I can get something up here we can see. Got a little bit of grass right here that's tall, but not much. That you can see, but cuts great. Idle it back down for you. Great mower.